Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on Samsung Smart TV in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to turn on your device, and that means it's Samsung Smart TV, and after that you have to test your application on a TV. Make sure that the TV has the latest firmware installed. Connect your computer and the TV to the same network. Create a certificate profile like connect the TV and SDK. To connect the TV to the SDK as a remote device, enable developer mode on the TV. So on the TV, open the Smart Hub and select the apps panel. So as you are seeing, after clicking on the apps panel, enter 12345 using the remote control on the screen number keypad. The developer mode configuration pop-up appears, so you just have to turn it on from the off and just select OK and switch developer mode to on and enter the IP address to the computer that you want to connect to the TV and click OK. And after enabling the developer mode on, you have to reboot the TV, and then you are good to go. The developer mode on your Samsung Smart TV has just been enabled, and there is another way to access or enable the developer mode on Smart TV, like open Smart Hub and navigate to the Smart Hub on your TV, and you have to select the apps panel or tab, and after that scroll down to find and select app settings and use your remote control to enter the sequence 12345 like I told you before. And after that, a dialog box will appear asking if you want to enable developer mode. Toggle the option to on, and if prompted, enter the IP address to the computer of the computer you'll be connecting to. Select OK to save and restart the TV. Power off and then power on your Samsung TV to activate developer mode. And some important notes are Samsung Instant On. If it's enabled, you may need to disconnect and reconnect the power cord using during the restart. And once enabled, developer mode will allow you to access advanced settings and install third-party apps for development or testing purposes. So there is also a alternative method, like some older models might require pressing the 123 button on the remote and then entering 1234 on the on-screen keypad. So by following the steps, you can successfully enable developer mode on your Samsung Smart TV and unlock a wider range of functionality for development and testing purposes. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.